please. I hit it!
You hit it.
Ah!
Hey YouTube, so today I'm going to change this light out. We had a bulb go out and it's never been very bright, so we're going to change it for some LED ones we found online. I'll have Sarah put in the description the ones we found. They're pretty cheap and they sound pretty bright. We'll find out if they really are. But they're LED, it changes it from a 2 to a 3 motion sensor. I have one here, some in the backyard. I'm even going to add some solar ones into the backyard, but that might be down the road a little bit. I don't know when I'm going to get to that. So anyway, I'm doing that right now, and Sarah's doing some sanding that on a table that we got a long time ago. We're planning on refinishing and never did. So that's a little sandblaster for the cracks and crevices there. It's hard for Sarah to clean her cracks and crevices. And yeah, kids are playing. Well, my really cheap light came with a broken part right here that I'm going to super glue on. It's basically a washer for a nut, so it shouldn't be a big deal, but that sucks.
What are you doing? You're just connecting the wires?
Yeah. Now that wires are connected, they can just be stuffed down.
Looks like an intense light. All done?
No, I just need to do settings.
Oh, look at this. Ding! And
Well, it is tonight, the night of putting up that light. Oh, Winston's gonna beat me to it. Yeah, Winston set it off. I just wanted to show you guys how it turned out. In fact, let me flip the camera here. Super, super bright. Way brighter than our other one. It's nice that it can shine all the way over here too. Shines up like the whole driveway. Now we just need to do that to our backyard one and add a couple in the backyard.
let's go see if it turns on.
Whoa, the leaves are pretty back here.
Yeah!
Yeah, they are pretty.
I like them.
Pretty stupid.
Stop it.
Oh, come on, it doesn't work. What's the talking
Hey
about?
YouTube! So we added some LED lights in the front. Now we've added some LED lights in the back. And I want to show you these lights. This we just bought on Amazon. They're super cheap, and we'll keep you updated how they work. But so far we've been really happy with them. So LED lights, solar panel, no wires here. If you shine your camera up there, you mount that bracket, and this slides on, and then it's ready to go. This is a motion sensor right here, and the solar panel is what registers light. We bought 4 of these, and I will show you where we place those. No, you can just show it.
Dad, should I dump these buckets?
Travis is cleaning out buckets. That's why they're all lined up and full of water.
Yeah.
Yeah, Max? Yeah. Are you going to stand in that?
I don't know if I can.
I don't
I
think...
had a different ladder when I put them up.
This seems so sketchy.
It is actually. So this one we mounted right on the tree. The reason I put this one here is because I have a raccoon trap here, and we always have raccoons in this area digging up Sarah's flowers.
Yeah, I just spent like 2 weeks planting like 200 tulips and they dug them up.
If I can lean, let me prove this one works here.
This is not a good idea. This is a really steep hill.
Oh gosh, I'm getting it all. What is on that tree? It's like powder.
That's
Maybe
weird.
aspens always have that on.
Woo!
Well, I can't get my hand over the top of that. I'm about to fall.
But it works.
Lincoln, why are you falling down a hill?
So the last one we placed right on top of the play set. Anyway, super easy to install, and they're really bright, really nice. We are not sponsored by them, by the way, and we'll let you know if they last long or if they're good or bad, but finally got our backyard a little bit of light back here. Now it's dark. I want to get a shot for you guys of these lights all turning on, and they are motion sensor. That when they turn on, they last for 30 seconds unless they keep detecting motion, then they just stay on constant. Okay, Sawyer, you ready? I think the range was something like maybe 15 to 30 feet for the sensors. Seems pretty bright. You could play basketball if you wanted, especially if you got two.
Hey guys, I'm just getting ready to edit the video for this week, and I want to show you something that we have been dealing with over the last couple weeks. We have had quite a few animal sightings in our yard and around our house, and some of them are more exciting and more fun than others. We just had a neighbor drive up our street like 2 hours ago and chase a 3-foot long snake out of the street into our bushes. And I didn't get a video of that one, but we did get a video of some of the other ones. So I'm going to start with what I think was the worst sighting that we had. Then let me know in the comments which visitor we've had that you think is the worst.
Honey, we shoot tarantulas all the time.
In your yard?
Yeah.
Is he alive?
I don't know.
Well, we found this guy in our front yard, and I was at work, and Sara called and was having a heart attack. She actually was falling because she found him in our front yard. So we have relocated him, and we'll dump him off here.
We first became aware of this ginormous rat when we caught it on our trail camera trying to see other animals. We quickly bought a rat trap off of Amazon for like $1 or $2 and set it out, and we caught him pretty quick. We had this skunk fall into Lincoln's window well, and it would not get out. We put a board in there to try to entice it to climb out, but it ended up spraying like 5 or 6 times, and it stunk up Lincoln's whole room and honestly ended up stinking up our whole house. So we were really glad when that one was gone. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all next week.